Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your BeReal app. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here to next step or list settings here, and you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to apps list and you just go down here to looking for BeReal app. You just click on it like this, and it's going to take you here to next step. Then you just click here on for stop. So and you click here on OK, then you go down here, you click here on storage, and you come to storage list, and you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store, then it's going to take you, it's going to show for you like this. You when you search for your BeReal app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, so just click on it, then it's going to update video on your BeReal app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.